Wallpaper can significantly impact the overall feel and appearance of a room interior. So friends, in this video we will know what will be the cost for installing the wallpaper designs, and also we will know the some advantages of installing a wallpaper for our house interior. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's continue to the topic. Like, wallpaper can significantly impact the overall feel and appearance of a room interiors. Like, a feature wall with a striking wallpaper can serve as a focal point, drawing attention to a particular area of the room and creating a design statement. Certain patterns of wallpapers and colors makes a room feel larger and smaller, taller or more intimate. Light color wallpaper with vertical strips can make a ceiling feel higher. Even the wallpapers allows for the expression of specific themes like floral, geometric, abstract or vintage patterns can help set a tone that complements the furniture and even the decor, enhancing the room style. So now let us talk about our main topic, that will be the cost of applying wallpaper, for which more than half people are watching this video. So before buying the wallpaper, you should know how to find out how many rolls of wallpaper you will need. So suppose take some example, like the wall size is 10 by 12, 10 feet length and 12 feet is the breadth. So if you will multiply these numbers, 10 into 12, it comes 120 square feet. So let's now we will calculate how much it will cost to apply the wallpaper for 120 square feet wall. Like, one wallpaper roll size comes in 57 square feet and our wall size is 120 square feet. So that means you have to divide the wall area with the area of the wallpaper roll. So like 120 divided by 45, like actually the wallpaper area is 57 square feet, but always you consider your wallpaper size is 45 square feet, because while cutting all some wastage, it will go 10 to 12 square feet, it will get waste. So always consider the 45 square feet per roll of your wallpaper. So if you will divide with the 120 by 45, it will come 2.66. So to cover the 120 square feet wall, you require 3 wallpaper rolls, and one wallpaper roll's price is 1500 rupees. That means 3 into 1500, it will cost you 4500 rupees for the wallpaper. And another cost is of the labor rate. So in our area, for one roll the labor rate is 300 rupees. So for the 3 rolls it will get 900 rupees. So if you will add total material plus labor rate, like 4500 is the material price and 900 rupees is the labor rate, so it will cost around 5400 rupees. So for 120 square feet of wall, applying the wallpaper will cost almost 5400 rupees. So friends, before applying the wallpaper to a wall, you should remember some important points to ensure a smooth and successful installation. Like, first one is the surface preparation. The wall must be clean, dry, smooth and free of dust or grease. Fill in any cracks or holes and sand down the rough spots for a smooth surface. Prime the wall if needed, especially if the wall is porous or previously painted with a glossy finish. Another point is the wall condition. Remove any old paper if necessary. Ensure the wall is mold free, as wallpaper can trap moisture and worsen the mold growth. Another points to consider is the measure the space. Measure the dimension of the wall and calculate how much wallpaper is needed. Buy extra rolls for future repairs or to ensure matching the patterns as well as the wallpaper. So in market there are many types of wallpaper, so choose the right type of wallpaper, like vinyl paper, fabric, peel and stick, etc. Depending on the room, vinyl wallpaper is the best option. So check whether your wallpaper is pre-pasted or requires separate adhesive. And check the install a wallpaper in a room where the temperature and humidity are stable. High humidity can affect the adhesion. If using the non pre-pasted wallpaper, follow the instruction for mixing and applying the adhesive properly. Use the right type of your wallpaper. So always start applying from the center or a corner, ensuring the vertical alignment using a level. Smooth out air bubbles as you go, working from the center outward. Allow the wallpaper to dry and cure properly as per the manufacturer recommendation. Avoid heavy airflow or direct sunlight during the drying. So friends, keeping this some important points before applying the wallpaper, you can install easily. And you So friends, I hope that this video will help you to make and select the best wallpaper designs for your walls. So friends, if you like my videos, then please like and share this video. Thank you so much.